Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So this operation will be extremely useful if you meet some different and strange problems with the camera. I'd like to show you two different ways of resetting the camera, so I hope one of them will work for you. So first of all, let's open the camera if you can do that. So this is the way to reset the settings if you've got the access to camera basically. So here we've got our camera, we are on the video mode, and unfortunately you cannot see what I wanted to show you. So you have to trust me that here we've got the composition lines applied, which means that we've got grid lines, and I applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So to reset the settings, we have to open the settings themselves, so let's tap on this gear icon in the right upper corner, and then simply tap on Restore Defaults. And as you can see right now, here we've got the proof that I've got the grid lines applied, we've got the composition line set to grid. So simply tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Done. And we just immediately got back and automatically got back to the camera, and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. So that was the first thing. And the second one could be useful if you cannot really open the camera app. So let's go to the settings. Here we have to tap on apps and see all 46 apps if you cannot see the camera here, but if you've got one, just tap on it. So first of all, first thing which you can do is to force stop, because sometimes if it is opened in the background, it may cause some issues. So force stop, your device will simply turn it off completely, and moreover, just scroll to the storage and cache. And here you can either tap on clear storage, but of course beware, because your device will simply remove the app's data, including files and settings. Or you can clear cache, and I highly recommend to simply tap on it. Those are temporary files, thanks to which we can remove them and possibly fix the camera. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.